Imagine this. It's late at night, and you're sitting on your couch with a cup of tea, reflecting on your financial goals. You've got dreams like most of us do, a comfortable retirement, traveling the world, maybe even buying a little cabin by the lake. But there's that nagging feeling, deep down in your gut. It's fear, mixed with a dash of uncertainty. You wonder if you're making the right choices with your money, whether you're taking too many risks or maybe not enough. Now, let's dive into that feeling because understanding it is crucial to mastering your money mindset. You see, our relationship with money is often shaped by emotions like fear and greed, which can lead to impulsive decisions. Fear makes us cautious, sometimes too cautious to the point where we miss out on opportunities. Greed, on the other hand, can make us reckless, chasing after quick gains without considering the potential for loss. Think of your money mindset as a garden. The way you nurture it determines what grows. If you plant seeds of fear, what sprouts are hesitations and missed chances. But if you cultivate knowledge and understanding, you foster a garden that thrives over time. A balanced approach allows you to make informed decisions, where risk is not feared but respected and managed. Consider the story of two friends, Emily and Jack. Emily was always hesitant to invest. She saved diligently but kept her money in a savings account, earning minimal interest. Jack, however, was comfortable with calculated risks. He took the time to learn about different investment options, understanding that some risk was necessary to grow his wealth over time. Jack's investments had their ups and downs, but he remained focused on the long term, weathering the storms of market volatility. Years later, Emily's savings had barely outpaced inflation, while Jack's portfolio had grown substantially. What set Jack apart was his mindset. He treated investing like a marathon, not a sprint. He knew that the key to building long-term wealth wasn't about jumping on every hot stock tip or panicking at every market downturn. It was about consistency, patience, and having a clear plan. This brings us to an important concept: the power of compounding. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process where the returns you earn on your investment start generating their own returns. Over time, this snowball effect can turn modest investments into significant wealth. But this only works if you're willing to let your investments grow without constantly meddling with them out of fear or impatience. Let's talk about mental models, tools for thinking that help us make better decisions. One such model is the idea of opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend on something today is a dollar you can't invest for the future. If we think about this consciously, we might reconsider those impulse buys or subscriptions we rarely use. Instead, we might channel that money into investments that align with our goals. And then there's the concept of diversification, or as the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a buffer against the risks of any single investment failing. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you reduce the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall portfolio. It's like having a safety net that lets you take calculated risks without the fear of losing it all. In the end, mastering your money mindset is about finding balance. It's about being informed yet adaptable, cautious yet bold. It's understanding that fear and greed are natural emotions, but they don't have to control you. Instead, let them be signals, indicators that it's time to reassess, to dig deeper, to learn more. Remember, the goal isn't just to build wealth, but to cultivate a mindset that empowers you to make decisions with confidence and clarity. With each choice you make, consider not just the financial outcome, but how it aligns with your values and long-term aspirations. So, as you sit there with your tea, think about the seeds you're planting in your financial garden. Are they rooted in fear, or are you nurturing them with knowledge and foresight? The most meaningful and lasting growth comes from understanding and embracing the journey. Let that be your guiding star as you navigate the world of money. For it's not just about reaching the destination, but about becoming wiser along the way.